Hi guys, welcome to Trendy Unboxing, and in this video I am going to review Patanjali Atta Noodles with Desi Masala. This is a 10 rupees packet and it directly competes with Nestle Maggi and other brands. At the front side of the packaging they have shown Chota Bheem characters and they have given the dialogue from the Chota Bheem cartoon, that is Mujhe bhook lagi hai kaliya. The best part about these noodles is that you get atta noodles in just rupees 10, whereas other brands are offering atta noodles for more than rupees 15. On the right side of the packaging, they have given the steps to make these atta noodles. Also, they have given the nutritional information along with the manufacturer's and marketer's address. These atta noodles are manufactured by Swastha Ahar Private Limited and are marketed by Patanjali Ayurved Limited. Guys, it is really good to see an Indian brand like Patanjali directly competing with the foreign brands, that too in this category of noodles and especially atta noodles. To make this noodle, pour 225 ml of water in a pan and then keep the water to boil. Let the water boil for some time. As you guys can see, water is already heated and it is on boiling temperature. Now let's add the noodles cake inside the boiling water. Normally, the brands tell you to break the noodles before putting the noodles in the hot water. But putting the noodles directly without breaking it, then we get long noodles. Ensure that you press the noodles in between when the water is getting boiled. And once the noodles get loose, ensure that you stir the noodles properly and continuously. Once the noodle is cooked, then add the desi masala to these atta noodles. Stir the atta noodles well so that the desi masala gets mixed properly with these noodles. And once the noodle is cooked properly after the water evaporation, then your noodles will be ready for serving hot. Texture wise, these noodles are really good and we get a pleasant smell of these atta noodles. Also, they are long. Friends, let me taste these noodles and tell you my review on it. Wow, the taste is really good and amazing. I will definitely give credit to Patanjali for making nice atta noodles for us. The main advantage of these noodles is that you get atta noodles in just rupees 10, whereas other brands are offering it for more than rupees 15. So guys, that's all in this video. Please give it a try to these Patanjali Atta noodles and let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Before ending this video, I would like to tell you guys that please subscribe my channel Trendy Unboxing to get more content like this and like and share this video. Thank you.